another ad.
I'm so sick of this, man.
This guy's just trying to scroll and watch videos.
Get out of here with your stupid, incredible deal.
Nobody cares about your stupid free underglow.
And who needs a free sound bar? Huh. Joe, are you reading this?
Lifetime warranty on the battery. Huh.
Now that you say it, doesn't sound so bad.
Yeah, dude, I don't know. Something about this seems like a good deal.
Honestly, the closer I look at it, the more I like it.
Maybe we should get one.
They hated the ads until they became the ad.
I wanna make